What's going on, you guys? It's your old pal Isaiah here, reviewing Stray Dogs Dog Days Issue 1. Before we get started, this video is sponsored by the Expansion Gaming Corner at 181 West Jackson Street, Millersburg, Ohio. Toys, comics, and much more. Look them up on Facebook. Stray Dogs is the backstory behind Roxanne, the dog, Gucci, how she loses. Here's Roxanne. How she loses her owner by cancer or the killer, something like that. But it's multiple different dogs in the story. Like here's Emojin, and other Henry. Poor Henry had an awful life. Getting attacked by that damn cat. Little cat. He was cute and then he gets attacked. He gets attacked on Christmas. He always gets attacked, poor other Henry. And Gucci is just basically a dog who's feel familiar with TikTok or Facebook, which is funny. Although, this one made me laugh because he pulls out a human foot, a human bone. Silly dog. Like, share, and comment. I will be reviewing something else soon. Bye bye.